on, Georgie? How you doing, man? You here? What's up?
What's up, Tay? So we finally got the Pan America fixed, up and running.
Goddamn.
Yeah, definitely it was a bit of a mission. But let me explain to you why. Alright. So the original problem was that we had a compression leak in the rear cylinder. So we replaced the head gasket and the base gasket in the rear.
The guts out, like the skeleton. There's Harley Davidson. This is RH 1250S.
You recording me? Well, progress on the Pan America build. We have the rocker covers back on. We have the mid-frame bolts in fastened, so we're not being jacked up anymore by the stand. And we put together our rotary. I messed up the video.
Cool.
You're gonna have to mute me.
And then we'll continue filming as we update the build. Thank you, George. What's going on?
There's time in the Pan America. Time in the Pan America.
Where are we at? What you doing?
Right now I'm putting together the head. I just finished timing the Pan America. It was a little off timing, so my timing was advanced. I was off by 2 chain links actually, made a huge difference. So I took it all apart, I'm putting it back together. Hopefully we'll be up and running.
Looking good, brother. Thank you. Third part of the build. You're looking at the air box. If no one's ever seen an air box on a Pan America before, that's it reinstalled. It goes under the tank. That's your thing there. This is the air box that the Pan America built. Sit, coming along nicely. This side's been put in and timed. It's all set. Georgie left for the day. But here we go. A quick look for a little bit of part 4 of the Pan America. Under the filter that's put on, now the tank has been replaced back on. And we're getting ready. The front fairings are all situated, been squared off. Good. This is like set. Test trays. Looking good. George is gone. I'll catch up with him tomorrow and see where he's at. So he can explain a little bit more what he's done on the other side.
Put it all together. Come to find out, we have a blown head gasket in the front now, where it was leaking radiator fluid. All right. So it takes
checking on the Pan America. What's up, George?
What's up, Tay? So I had to take this Pan America apart again, basically because when I put it together, it was shooting radiator fluid out the exhaust, and I had to track the cooling route and try to determine why it was spraying out cooling. And what happens is that when you remove the head cylinder, you can see that this is the port where the coolant will go in through.
Okay.
And shoot straight through, all right, and then it returns through here, all right, through this side. And then what happens is that this head gasket gets completely warped, and it seeps the radiator fluid through, and it puddles the coolant on top of the piston head and shot it out the exhaust.
Man.
Hence the repair.
All right. Very cool, brother. And this wire here is just to keep this straight? What's this for? It's just
That's the clutch cable. I couldn't get it out through here, so I basically just leaned the front end forward. I got the engine supported with a plate on the bottom holding the other half. This engine is supported, it's part of the frame. The engine is part of the Pan America frame. So it bolts on here, and it bolts on here. And when you take this off and this off, the engine falls right out.
Nice.
The engine is part of the frame.
Very cool, brother. Stay tuned. Thank you, George.
Take care, Tate. Pieces to replace the base gasket in and the head gasket. Put it together again, only to come to realize I had a bad intake cam phase.
Good deal. What's up, Georgie?
What's What's up, Teddy? Basically putting the Pan America back together. Finally. Got the wiring harnesses fitting it back into its places and just getting everything look right little by little.
Cool.
Taking my time with it.
Very good.
So it's starting to look like a motorcycle and not pieces.
Awesome, man. It's coming good. Very good, brother. Thank you. I'll catch you in a few.
All right, and that's what was advancing my time. Go. Thank you, beautiful. Oh, hey, I had to replace the cam finger, put it all together for the last time, and she's riding perfect. I think even better than when she came originally. So happy to say we finally got it, guys.
Awesome, man. Congratulations. Good job. Thank you, bro. Finally, man. Good.
Got it.
Good job, brother.
Let's go.
Don't crash. You're good, man.
Finally, man, we got it.
Awesome,
Let's
man.
go.
Good job, man. Be careful out there.